Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Island Shay, and today we're getting crafty with a little DIY project for car camping. If you love exploring the great outdoors but want some extra shade and shelter, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple and budget-friendly tarp setup. All right, let's get after it. Here are a few of the items that we used. We got these suction cups actually right on Amazon. These are super nice. They can stick right to the car. Obviously, you want to have a clean surface first before you stick them on. And it's really nice because they have these hooks built into them and they're heavy duty. So you want to make sure whatever tarp you get, which depends on what size shade you want to use. We've got a pretty big tarp. You want to have the tarps that have the hooks, like the holes in the corners, so that you can go ahead and hook these right into the corner and then suction cup it to your car. And these are the poles that we used to be able to put up the tarp as well. These are telescopic poles. You can adjust the height of all of them. They're from Hickman, and we also got these on Amazon too. Check the description below to get a link to all of these products. We have them all linked on our Amazon storefront.
Sweet guys, so here are our Hickman telescopic poles. They come with some rope and some ground pegs just to make it nice and easy to hold it up. So they're very simple. Just simply twist it, open it, and twist it the opposite way to walk, and then do the same thing on the top, and it extends pretty damn tall. Yeah, we don't need them that high, but just wanted to show you what they're capable of. Gotta attach it to that. So, opposite end, loose rope, the exact same thing, just going through the two holes, the exact same knot. Beautiful. Now we'll hold. There we go. Good. Sweet. Now, we put it up.
Ensure that the tip of the pole is in the tarp's corner hole as shown. Next, you will want to adjust the height of the poles to your personal preference. Once you're happy with the height, you are going to want to secure the ground pegs and tighten the support ropes. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, then please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to click the links below to see the products in our Amazon storefront.